Let's do it. Hi friends, welcome to Yoga with Jasmine and Micah. So first let's just start in a cross-legged position, crisscross applesauce. It doesn't matter which leg is on top. You can switch it. Feel which one works best for you. You might change it throughout. And that's okay. All right, we're just gonna start with our hands on our knees. Are you ready? And if you have a little one, you're gonna wanna turn them around. Hold on to them tight. Yes, I gotta hold on too tight. Because we're gonna do some Sufi circles. And what you're gonna do is you're just going to, we're gonna spin in a circle. Like this, spin like that, spin. No? Okay. That's right, spin. Keeping your bottom on the ground. Going one way and then the other way. You're gonna breathe in and breathe out. And go the other way.